Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Whoa, y'all see this beauty here? This is a beauty. Well, you at PT Lover? What you know about this PT Lover? It's a convertible. Oh no. Hey, whoa. This is not supposed to be like this. Guys, that means y'all know this is the smart glass setup. Any car with a convertible top, I want to say all of them like this, or any car with a convertible top. The glass sits in a channel, and when you open the door, like when I push this glass is supposed to drop 2 centimeters to clear. Oh, it didn't drop. Push that, the glass supposed to. Oh yeah, you can damage that. Oh, I hope they haven't damaged it. But yeah, that's not good, guys. Man, what is going on? Somebody been in this car? Yeah, the glass. Oh no! You keep doing that, you just knocking this glass out of alignment. So I'm almost, yeah, that's the complaint. The window will not let down. The window will not lower. Guys, based off this steering wheel and this center console, this is a Gen 1. Okay, remember Gen 1 PT Cruise go from 2005 and down. Car showed up in 2000. Okay, it hit the dealerships and the lots in 2001. So the first year production would likely be a 2001. All right, but yeah, this is not good. This glass will not go down. Now their complaint is, oh, just that. Glass will not go down. Top will not work. This is electric top, yes. And the trunk will not work. All right, where's the key? Let's see. Let's get started, guys. First thing first, we got to diagnose it, right? First thing first, you got to duplicate it. Now, I can only duplicate this one thing as far as I can visually see that the window is not going down. Now, let me do this. See, it's not dead either. So if it was dead, I would know what to blame that on. So in the event your battery died, that feature would not work. So it's still going to be rendered inoperative. Now, here's the window switch. Look at that, guys. That window work. Right wheel work. Uh-oh. Left wheel not working. Uh-oh. Now, how is this circuit set up? Is there a fuse protecting the left side as opposed to the right side? I do not think so. I would have advised you to go to the fuse box in the event that neither window worked. Okay, I want to say this, not so much protected by a fuse. Well, it's protected by a circuit breaker, which in essence is basically a fuse. The difference between a fuse and a circuit breaker is if a short occurs, when the short leaves, the circuit breaker may trip itself back closed, okay, which means the circuit can go through. So most of the Windows functions was protected by a circuit breaker. Some both. Some was protected by a fuse and a circuit breaker, but my memory served me correct. I want to say the circuit breaker is supplying this, and there's no need me to question the circuit breaker if I have window operation on the right side only. Now, how about the top? Uh-oh. I don't even hear the motor running, guys. And I think their last complaint was the trunk. Yeah, I don't even hear that. All right, so let's get this thing in the shop, guys, and let's start some troubleshooting. All right. Uh-oh, got reversed. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm going headed to the shop. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I am now in the shop. I don't know, guys. What y'all think? I'm getting seems like I'm getting nothing powered on the left side. Now, guys, y'all know when you're dealing with windows and locks and things like that, the part of the harness that get the most use is this harness right between the door and the body. Flexing all these years back and forth. Sometimes wires are just break. So whatever it is something on this side only. It very well could be a breakage in there. Yeah, I don't even hear the pump running. And the trunk don't work. She complaining about, yeah, I don't even hear that actuating. Let's see something. That's the only way you're gonna get into this baby. Wow. All right. So, what's back here? Maybe I need to start pulling panels. It's been a while since I've been in one of these PT Cruiser convertibles. Oh. Now, all right, it's just it ain't much different than a car, right? A harness, something wire related got to come through here to get to the trunk, to get to the electric latch. This is the emergency. In the event that don't work, you can crawl back there and get through the, what the hell? Oh my goodness. Holy sh... Ooh, I had to do a lot to find that. Guys, this is broke. Wait a minute. Is this heat shrink tube? Did somebody try to fix this? Alright guys, hold on. Let me peel some of this. See, now did I not get the whole story? Looks like somebody may have tried to fix this. Yeah, because this... Wait a minute. Look at all this. That's why I'm losing power source. At least to the tailgate. I don't know about the windows. Yeah, this ain't no... Look at this. This ain't no different than... Y'all remember we had the same problem with the Dodge Chargers in the trunk? This is a flex. This is not really a flex joint. It's not really doing a lot of flexing from this point to this point. So I don't know why this is a... I don't know, guys. But those look like heat shrink tubes. But it looked like they was just twisted and not soldered. Y'all see that? So somebody connected wiring port and just melted heat shrink tube on without soldering them? Nah. Man, what jerk did this? Yeah, this going back to the... I guarantee you this is why I'm losing power to the... Okay. Let me bust this open, guys. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go. Alright, guys. Hold tight. Let me grab some tools and see if I can make a temporary connection and see if everything come back. My windows may even start working. I don't know. We're going to find out. Stay tuned. Really gained out of this doing this repair in the trunk was now I have that works. Okay, so yeah, I got my lock actuators and things working. So I'm finna do this. I'm finna make this professional. I can't leave this like this. I will be just as guilty as the last guy that did this crappy job where he used, y'all saw the footage, he used heat shrink tube. He just hand tightened these, and some of them he put butt connectors on it and he shrink tube it together. It worked its way loose, and here we are. Okay, now so she's gonna have her trunk deck lid electric part working again, and I'm gonna have the windows working. Okay, yes, this car took me on a wild goose chase.